able to do it by hand, Dad.
Huh?
I'm able to do it by hand. I don't need the bracket.
I'll tell you why. Because I never put it in there tight. I just put it in there real quick.
I mean, it don't need to be in there tight, obviously.
It does.
Huh?
It don't wiggle around.
Well, I mean, it didn't wiggle when you had it in there. You hear me? Okay, these back ones, they're tight.
Huh?
The back ones are tight. That's maybe why it didn't wiggle. You had so much 3M on this, Dad. Hear me? I don't know if you noticed that, but 3M don't fix everything.
What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo back with another Smokin Metal CarFun video. Today, my son is actually my double den. I ordered a new, well, my wife ordered me one for Christmas. So being as though it's getting a little warm, I went on and took the old one out, and he's gonna go ahead and switch out the AC, you know, all of that, and then put it all into the newer one, which we'll get into that in a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna let him go ahead, switch it out, hook it up, so that way it can go in the car. See what he do. I ain't even gonna tell him nothing. I ain't gonna instruct him. I'm gonna let him handle his business. It has a manual inside, and see where he go from there, and see how well he done watched me do things, cause he see me all the time hooking up my car stereo system all the time. So therefore, we're gonna see if he can do this on his own. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cooking my breakfast, and I'm gonna leave it on him, put the camera on him, and let him handle his business. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. Peace. After I see when you totally finished with lunch, and I'm totally finished breakfast. What's your mama doing? I'm cooking, so I'm cooking. All black. Yeah. Wait. So, it's all black. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with this all black. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna stick with this all black. Where I got the blur? Okay, there we go. Cause I'm either gonna go with some carbon fiber, of course, or I'm gonna go with blue. So, with that being said, y'all tell me down in the comments what color y'all think I should put on there. Y'all already seen in my previous videos, I got a lot of blue stuff. So, y'all tell me what y'all think. Should I go with the blue carbon fiber and use blue carbon fiber, or should I just go ahead and put the blue on there? I do have the blue chrome. Y'all tell me what y'all think. I don't know. I might, just because it's not on the outside. The last blue chrome I had, I put on the outside of my car. It did not come out right. Y'all might have seen that in a previous video as well. So, we're going to let y'all get back to him and y'all ponder on that. Let me know what y'all think. What color I should put. Should I go carbon fiber, or should I just go straight with the blue? Or should I go with the blue carbon fiber? Give me heads up, tell me what y'all think, so that way I can order the blue carbon fiber if that's what I'm gonna do. I have every color that under the sun except carbon fiber or blue carbon fiber. So let me know. Saved your life.
I was trying to keep it facing like work. You just built it up.
See, this is what the old one was. It was actually silver, and plus it wasn't a double dent, you know. And then I added the blue into it so y'all can see. It's old. I painted it. Thinking about doing the. What y'all think about the blue on my rims?
Then change it to that one. Then you change it.
Then I switched it out to this one because I like the little. It's the type of.
Material.
I don't know. It's the type of plastic that it was.
The design they put on it.
So I went on and went with that. But I need my double din. So there we go. The double din, the boy is taking care of it. So then we're gonna let him go ahead and put it back in the car. So while we have a little intermission, you know, of course, your boy cooking up some bacon, you know, and I already did my eggs. Still got some eggs, scrapple, bacon, breakfast. Nothing serious, nothing heavy. But yeah, so the weather's breaking, so we can do a little bit more outside. Not so cold. I can't play with the cold. So 28 degrees, 32, things like that, I can deal with that. But when we talking like 12, -2, no. I got so much car stuff that I just been collecting because of the weather. I just ain't been doing nothing. Let me show y'all. Look. I got, of course y'all see my clothing closet. You know. Might not be able to see. Let's see. Here we go. Yep. All my different joints. Different smoking metals. Move them over. Got some bigger ones. We got the silver and purple. Purple and white. Purple, black and gold. Black, green, and gold. I just got just a few things. You know, just the words. Then you got black and gold. A brown. A tan, black and gold. Y'all will see it as I wear it. I bought it for me and I sell it as well. Those are things that I have not done anything with yet. I got more of these jerseys. And I got a few t-shirts. But yeah. And then this is my box of goodies right here. I got the dash strip carbon fiber to go around the window sill. And I got my carbon fiber gear shifter. Yep. And then we got the, oh snap. Uh-oh. And of course we got the chrome vent covers. Oh, damn it. How about we have him put the vent covers on while he's at it. I think that'll give him something to do, measure it out, things like that. But we'll probably save that for another video. But yeah, I got a lot of things for him to learn how to do. That way, because you know the car going to him anyway. So he gonna make sure that the car look good and not make it look sloppy, messy. So we're gonna see how good he can cut them, make them even out with the vents. So yeah, so I get back to y'all in a minute. I'll let him finish handling his business. Got another video for you.
This is just for the,
You don't need to put them on the vents. Let me know the table.
So I have now finished putting in the AC and traction control, hazards, airbag, those buttons. And this is what it looks like. And next I will be putting these in the vents, which I had already started. You will see that in the next video. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Go check out my channel, Demon Beats. Again, DeemonBeats. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.